Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Use denatured alcohol, as it works the best on the most stubborn dried acrylic stains. Pour a little on a cloth or cotton ball and hold against the stain for a minute. With small circular motions, rub the paint until it lifts. Use a damp, soapy washcloth to wipe the area free of the alcohol.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baking soda is great for removing stains because it is absorbent. But paint sets into fibers so quickly that baking soda isn't powerful enough to remove the paint from clothes. You can try sprinkling baking soda over paint stains on denim, but our tips above are the best of the best for removing paint.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To answer the question, is acrylic paint washable or not? We can say that in general acrylic paint is easily washable while it is still wet, but has low washability when dried. You also need the right solution and other paint removing materials to wash acrylic paint.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.